to find the square of any number which is very close to the 50s, so we can do one simple technique. So I'll show the method 2 in this. For example, the number very close to the 50, like for example 48. If you want to find out 48 whole square value, so there is a two things you remember: 25 and 50 method. That is, take 48 and subtract from 25, and take 48 and subtract from 50. 48 is less than 50, right? So 50 minus 48. So these are the two steps. These two steps you have to do for the first. 48 minus 25 and 50 minus 48. So this is the technique is 25 and 50 concept. 48 minus 25. So this is 23, and 50 minus 48. So 2. In second set, whichever the number you got, that square you can write. 2 we got, no? 2 square. 2 square is 4. That means you can take it as a 2-digit number. 4 is the in two places 0, 4. Because 23 is 2 digits. 23 from 4 you can take it as a 0, 4. So 2304 is the answer for 48 whole square. Let me show you one more example. It will be clear for you. Take more than 50. That means let us take 58 whole square. 58 square value required. Two steps pattern. That means first one subtract from 25. Second one subtract from 50. So as per the first step, 58 minus 25. Here is 58 minus 50, because 58 is greater than 50. That's why 58 minus 50. Previous one 50 minus 48 we took. Now simple. That is 58 minus 25. So 33. 58 minus 50. So this is 8. But you have to take 8 square. 8 square value is 64. So therefore 3364 together write. Simple. 3364. Clear, no? Yes. One more example. Instead of confusing, I'll show you. Let us take 42 whole square. So simple way, just by observing, we can, by seeing only we can make it. 42 is, if you subtract from 25, so 42 minus 25. Simple. That is a 17. And another way, 42 and 50 difference. So 50 minus 42. So it's 8. Immediately write 8 square. So 64 here. 1764. So this when the numbers are close to the 50, so you can use this technique.